Welcome to my review of Manual.co. In this video, we'll dive into everything this website offers, focusing on how they approach alopecia treatment and hair restoration. Manual.co has become a go-to platform for many dealing with hair loss, especially men. I'll give you an honest, detailed walkthrough of the website, including what you can expect when you use their services. Manual.co offers a range of treatments aimed at helping with hair loss. They provide medications, consultations, and tailored plans to address various causes of alopecia. One of their key features is the ability to customize a treatment plan specific to your hair loss condition. They emphasize convenience with an online consultation system that allows users to speak with medical professionals about their situation. This could be a great option for anyone who doesn't want to visit a clinic in person. Navigating the website is relatively easy, with clear sections for different treatments and a straightforward process for booking consultations. However, there are some aspects that could use improvement. For example, the site could provide more detailed information about the individual treatments and their effectiveness. I had a hard time finding some essential details that would have helped me make an informed decision. One standout feature of Manual.co is its focus on personalized care. They don't just offer a one-size-fits-all solution. After completing the consultation, users receive a treatment plan tailored to their specific needs. But there's a downside. While they provide good customer service, the plans are expensive, and it might not be affordable for everyone. Another thing worth mentioning is the delivery process. Manual.co provides discreet packaging, which is always a nice touch when it comes to sensitive products like hair loss medication. However, the delivery times can sometimes be longer than expected. I experienced some delays, but it was still within a reasonable window. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, while Manual.co offers quality treatments, it's not the most affordable option out there. If budget is a concern, there are alternative products and services that might offer similar results at a lower price. But for those who can afford it, Manual.co could be a good choice if you're looking for professional guidance and a tailored approach to treating alopecia. Overall, I would recommend Manual.co to anyone serious about tackling hair loss and willing to invest in personalized treatment plans. However, if you're just looking for something more affordable, there are other options out there that could suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.